Today I'm gonna show you how I do my POV driving video. I only got a few equipment to work with, a very minimal setup. Let me show you. I'm into POV view stuff. I like it a lot, whether it's like driving or like riding motorcycle. I like to make it as good as possible and as minimal as possible. Anyways, if you got any thoughts or ideas, make sure to leave it down below. I will reply you as soon as possible. If you have anything, please let me know. Thank you. Woo! What a lovely view. The world beside the railway and the mountain view. Isn't that wonderful? Alright. You know how I do my POV drive? It's very simple. First of all, you're gonna need a cap and you're gonna find some clip to clip to your cap. I got this magnetic swivel clip from GoPro. It's a very good clip, and you can rotate it 360 degrees, and it have a buckle mount for you to like quick release your action camera or your GoPro. Just like that, and click it in. Real simple. And this magnetic swivel clip on the other side is magnet, so you can stick it on to like metal surfaces. A plus for that. This is like an official product from GoPro. Very good quality. I'm gonna stick my camera in. My Osmo Action 4 works well with GoPro accessories. And you got this magnetic quick release mount from DJI, which I really loved. Clip it to your cap. Yeah, like this. And as you can see, it blocks my view. So you're gonna lift it up. Yeah. And tighten it up, squeeze your head. Yep. And you can adjust your angle. Yeah, something like this. It doesn't really obstruct my view, but I think this setup is too heavy for me, so I'm gonna change to something lighter. I got an alternative to that clip. This is a quick clip from GoPro. Yeah, pretty good, It's lightweight and minimal, and it's not gonna add up the weight too much. Gonna make my POV driving more light and more comfortable. Oh, and by the way, this quick clip comes with a GoPro head strap. The version 1 is small, but it locks into place and it helps you reduce some weight. This is more comfortable. Make sure to squeeze your cap nice and tight. Don't let the camera block your view. Squeeze it, pull it down. If it's not tight, just tighten it up. Now it doesn't block my view. Very good. I need to start my engine, if you wouldn't mind. It's so hot nowadays. For my camera setting, I am shooting in 4K 50 frames per second. I am using an Osmo Action 4. My stabilization is Rocksteady, normal Rocksteady. My shutter speed, I set it to 1/120. And my ISO, I set it to range between 100 and 400. My field of view is ultra wide. I'm shooting in D-Log M, same as usual. White balance auto, I trust this camera. Okay, and I'm gonna need my phone to see my view from the app. Got my phone connected to my camera. Okay, twist it down, adjust my angle. Some of you might prefer like half the steering wheel like this or like this. It really comes down to personal preference. But for me, I like it around here. Good. If you feel like it's too far away from the steering wheel, you can move it up. Yep. And adjust your angle again. Yeah, around here is good. Now I'm ready. Here we go. Alright. To make the POV driving video looks good, the best way to hold your steering wheel is around 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. If this is an analog clock, just hold your hand right here and right here. It's like around 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Your hand is gonna look more natural. And by the way, I'm using a DJI Mic 2 as my audio source for today. When you're doing an POV driving, you don't really need an external microphone, but I like my audio crisp and clear. And this mic 2, it connects to my camera via Bluetooth. I like my gear wires free. Know what I'm saying? You need to find the right cap that fits your head pretty tight and have some structure. And you need to find an action camera clip that suits you. And your camera, it shouldn't be that big because it's gonna block your view even more. Make sure your camera doesn't obstruct your view because you might get into an accident, which we don't want that. Sometimes when I drive, when I'm not recording, I like to put one hand on the steering wheel like this, not like this, but like this, Ride around, cruising around the city, wheels spinning, filming. The clip that I use over here, it comes with a GoPro head strap. And the other one that I showed you earlier, the magnetic swivel clip, it's a little bit on the heavy side if you're gonna clip it on your cap, and it's not gonna feel like flexible as this quick clip. So yeah, I highly recommend this quick clip. You need a small action camera too. If you put a cage or media mod or something, it's gonna obstruct more of your view, and you have to lift your cap up even more. Yeah, so pretty simple as this. Oops. Oh wow, the mountain view. The other car, they see me. I'm gonna look like an idiot, which I really am, Mostly I sit more far away from my steering wheel, but I don't want my hands to be too long when I'm driving. So I must push my seat upward a little bit. And yeah, I think it works. You gotta do what you gotta do. Feel me? Anyways, if any of you have any thoughts or comment, make sure to leave it down below. You have other ways to do POV driving, let me know too. I really love to know what you guys are doing while you're driving, how you attach your camera. Anyways, I plan to test drive soon. I'm gonna fly a car to review. So with my setup like this, I'm ready to review cars my POV style. My favorite shop. Alright. When I say alright, let me know down in the comment who I was referring to. Know what I'm saying? My favorite shop. Okay. got my drink. Vanilla milk. Oh man. Some refreshments. Blazing hot temperature. Gonna head back now. Right. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.